One of the first things that I heard when I came to Mines was that Mines is a team sport.
There's a lot of things that make this place special, but I think the most important one is the people here.
There's always a big support to help you motivate yourself when one day you may not be feeling it. Another student can help you with your struggles, and you can always help each other.
Despite the hard curriculum of the school, I believe teamwork. I believe my engagement in extracurricular activities, all the opportunities given to me to network with the campus community has given me that stepping stone. Not only networking with students, but much more importantly, networking with academia.
Having a network of both students and faculty that are invested in the research that we're doing is really great.
I just love it here. I mean, it's definitely one of the best schools in engineering, so there's a lot of things that keeps me coming. There's definitely something special about the place.
There's a lot of great teachers here that are so willing to help, and you, as a student at Mines, you really get that. And you get that one-on-one interactions with them, which is really amazing and unique.
It's not just about what we're doing in the classroom, but how we're learning the different subjects. I definitely appreciate how a lot of the coursework here is applied based, meaning that it's not typically just working towards a certain solution in an academia standpoint, but how does it apply in the real world? Why does it make a difference, and why are you doing what you're doing?
I think that having the communication with industry sponsors is really helpful in our department in particular, because I get to interact with people in all of these different avenues of career choice. So talking to people through sponsors, talking to people who are like the seminar speakers who are coming from academia or coming from national labs, I think that the support is really there in a strong way.
Prior to coming here, I was much more of a solo individual, but I learned that working together in an environment that actually encourages diverse perspectives enables us to actually answer or resolve and tackle some of these issues we're facing.
I think the mindset here at Mines has really proved that. The ability to ask people for help, the ability to work on really good teams of different people, and the ability to know that you're not the only person or the smartest person in the room has definitely helped me, and that's going to continue to help me as I go forward.
I learned different languages, I learned different functions, but ultimately what I learned the most was how to problem solve. Especially in computer science, I really think it's the essence of problem solving. Technology advances insanely fast, and that's certainly no secret. The industry that I'm entering into right now will be completely different in 10 years, especially in computer science. So I think the ability to venture into the unknown, the ability to problem solve, to use resources, to talk to people, to collaborate, to work as a team, I really think that those are going to be the key factors that will make me successful in industry.
It's hard to say what I want to do in like 10 years, but currently I feel that the path I chose and being hands with all this Mines knowledge, I'm on track to something very nice to deliver clean energy to all the world.
Basically, I thought pursuing a degree in environmental engineering would help me deal with some of those persistent issues we're dealing with today. And hopefully tomorrow, after tomorrow, I can be part of the community to inspire change and help the world we all share to become a better place.